Hello students, you all are welcome in your online English class. Let's start with our chapter 4, having heading adjectives and kinds of adjectives. Students, I have sent you videos on adjectives and its kinds. Now, the topic we are going to take is formation of adjectives. Now we are going to learn that there are some adjectives can be formed using suffixes. Suffix means when we add something after any word. Like you are seeing here able and able. So we can frame an adjective with the help of these suffixes like understandable, capable, readable and incredible. Next is AL by adding like mathematical, functional, influential and chemical. Similarly, full, beautiful, bashful, helpful and harmful. Ick, artistic, manic, rustic and terrific. I, submissive, intuitive, inventive and attractive. Similarly, less, sleeveless, hopeless, groundless, restless and shameless also. Like OUS, like gorgeous, dangerous, adventurous and fabulous. So we can add up these suffixes to frame an adjective. Now we are going to study about very interesting thing, sequence of adjectives. Now class, we know that we use adjectives before noun to indicate the quality and the color and so on things, but there is also a sequence of adjective. So it means we use an adjective to describe something. Something means कोई भी चीज, or someone means it relates to a person, but sometimes we use more than one adjective in front of a noun. It is called a sequence of adjectives. Students, you see that sometimes you see more than one adjective to describe a noun. Maybe it is a thing or a person. So we have to use that adjectives in a sequence. And what is that sequence? We are going to study about that. But before that, we are going to go through an examples. Adjectives sometimes appear after the verb to be verbs, like he is tall. Here we are seeing that adjective is applying after the helping verb, that is. Adjectives sometimes appear before a noun. We know that generally adjectives come before a noun, like I have a red car. You see that car is a common noun here and the color name is red. So I have a red car. Class, here we are using only one adjective. But when we use more than one adjective before a noun case, then there must be a certain order that we should follow. Like, I have bought a new white lovely bookcase. Now we are seeing that it is indicating that this order is incorrect. Again have a reading, I have bought a new white lovely bookcase. But we are seeing that all are adjectives here. Then how can we say that they are wrong? Let's go for the next sentence. I have bought a lovely new white bookcase. Now it is indicating that it is the correct and the natural order. But in order to know about this correct order, we have to go through the sequence of adjectives. Here we are having an abbreviated form like OSESCOMP. You have to learn this word OSESCOMP to know about the sequence of adjectives. You have to follow this sequence of adjective to frame the correct adjective at correct place. Like O stands for opinion. Opinion means rai. Here we are having the description of this opinion. Explains what we think about something. जो भी हम किसी चीज़ के लिए सोचते हैं, हमारी ओपिनियन, हमारी राय क्या है उस चीज़ के बारे में, whether that thing is or that person is beautiful, boring, stupid, delicious, useful, lovely, comfortable, uncomfortable, etc. So It indicates our opinion. These adjectives relate to our opinion. हमारा ओपिनियन क्या है किसी चीज़ के बारे में, हमारा एटीट्यूड क्या है, या हमारी ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या है, हमने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया है उस पर्सन के बारे में या उस थिंग के बारे में. इट रिलेट्स टू द ओपिनियन. सो assess comp O relates to the opinion. At second place we are having the size. We go for the size of that thing or that person, like big, small, tall, huge, tiny, etc. So at second place comes the size of that thing or that person. At number 3, A here stands for the age. Now it tells us how old something or someone, कोई भी पर्सन या कोई भी चीज़ जो है वो कितनी पुरानी है. ओल्ड है, यंग, न्यू, एंशियंट एंड एंटीक एट्सेट्रा. सो एट नंबर 3 वी टेक अप द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ एज. एट नंबर 4 here we are having shape, assess comp. Now this S will go with the shape of any person or anything. In shape we can also include weight and length. It tells us about shape of something or how long or short it is. कोई भी चीज़ कितनी लंबी है या कितनी छोटी है उसके बारे में हमें पता चलता है. It can also refer to the weight of someone or something. हमें किसी पर्सन की हम वेट या लेंथ को भी इसमें इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, लाइक राउंड, स्क्वेयर, सर्कुलर, स्किनी, फैट, हैवी, स्ट्रेट, लॉन्ग, शॉर्ट एंड सो ऑन. एंड Next here we are seeing that comp. C stands for the color. C stands for the color. At number 5 the color comes. But here color is given at number 6, but it will come at number 5. Okay, it will come at number 5, color. Now the color or approximate color of something. किसी चीज़ का रंग क्या है? Green, white, blue, reddish, purple, etc. Okay. At number 6 we will follow the adjective of origin. The adjective that relates to origin. कि कोई भी चीज़ का origin कहाँ है, मतलब वो चीज़ कहाँ से belong करती है, कहाँ पर किस जगह से वो belong करती है. Where something is from. Like पाकिस्तानी है, ब्रिटिश है, इंडियन है, इटालियन, ईस्टर्न, ऑस्ट्रेलियन, अमेरिकन और फ्रेंच, कुछ भी हो सकता है. origin उसका स्रोत क्या है, from where it is. Next is we are having the adjective related to material. कि कोई भी चीज़ जो है वो किस मटेरियल से बनी है. What is the thing made of or constructed of. Like that thing is of gold, wooden, silk, paper, synthetic, cotton, woolen. At number 8 last we are having the purpose. This P stands for the purpose. So here we see these nouns modifiers describe another noun and behave like an adjective. These adjectives often end in ing. It means है स्टूडेंट कि नाउन मॉडिफायर्स जो है वो अनदर नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं एंड दे ऑफन एंडिंग ing. लाइक स्लीपिंग बैग. बैग इज अ नाउन हेयर and this sleeping is working as an adjective because it is telling us कि ये बैग कौन सा है, इस बैग का क्या पर्पस है. दिस बैग इज स्लीपिंग बैग. एंड ग्लव्स, और ये कौन से ग्लव्स हैं, दीज ग्लव्स आर गार्डनिंग ग्लव्स. आप ये ग्लव्स को यूज़ करते हैं व्हेन यू डू गार्डनिंग. दीज आर गार्डनिंग ग्लव्स. अगेन बैग, दिस बैग इज शॉपिंग बैग. सो शॉपिंग इज एन एडजेक्टिव हेयर. नेक्स्ट इज ड्रेस. कोई भी ड्रेस नहीं है, दिस ड्रेस इज वेडिंग ड्रेस. You are specifying the dress, that this dress is wedding dress. Now you are noticing that these are modifiers and they are ending in ing. So class, this was your sequence of adjective. You have to learn this word assesscom, and while applying adjectives, when you are adding so many adjectives to indicating someone or something, you have to follow the sequence of adjectives to frame the correct sentence. Thank you class for watching the video. This was here the topic of sequence of adjectives. Keep on learning and try to frame your own sentences. Thank you class. Good.